Hello, everybody. Starting a fart today. We're running another Family Guy clip. This one's going to be called Fart Coughs.
Cover your farts by coughing.
Okay, welcome to the PTA meeting. On the subject of school lunches, I know there's been some concern about nutrition. We've had complaints about the soda machines, and I have spoken with the school board. Is there something you'd like to say, Mr. Griffin?
No. No. No, I'm good.